How to change the reason on Google Chrome. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the reason on your Google Chrome. So to do that, first of all, make sure that you have updated your Google Chrome and also logged in with your Google account from the Google Chrome. If you have done so, now you want to change your reason. It would be very easier if you do it from your PC, but you can also do it from your phone by following the following steps. So open your preferred browser, that is your Google Chrome. After you do that, on the top right side, you need to tap on the setting option. After you tap on the setting option, you will see many options like this. Now, you will see the option of languages, but there is no option of reason. So one option is you can simply go on translation settings and then you can add language, and that will be easier for you to use any languages without changing your reasons as well. But if you want to change your reasons and not languages, then if you are in some reasons, then just need to tap on the translate settings. Then if you are somewhere, then it will automatically translate you to the place you are residing right now. But if you don't want that, what you can do is tap on the what option, that is the option of help. And from here, what you need to do is on the search bar, search for reason. After searching for reason here, it will show you many options right here. Now you just need to choose your option for sharing your location, change Chrome languages and pages. Now you need to go for sharing your location, and when you tap on this, all the location option will be here. So it will show you how you can change your location from here. That is your reason. For that, you need to go on the set settings, tap on the location option and turn the location option on or off. And you can also change it as you want to. So this is how you can access your Google location on the Google Chrome. So you can do it from Android simply like this. And if you're using the computer, then you can solve this problem by using these steps right here. So this is how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.